tutorials, and today we are looking at virtual machines, basically how to run them, how to install them, and everything you require to get yourself started in a new operating system or a new environment. For example, you might have no experience in Linux or maybe MacOS and you always wanted to try it out. Why not? Provided you have enough RAM and storage and you really want to learn, it's easy to learn almost anything out there. So basically the minimum requirements: sufficient RAM. Even 4 GB can run, but at the end of the day it will be too slow for you to have a worthwhile experience. Make sure you have sufficient storage, a minimum of 10 GB to run almost all other virtual machines except for Windows, which require about 16 GB plus. And from then on you can run Linux easily, like any other program, like VLC, your Google browser, whatever you use for your mail, like any other software. You can have a virtual machine or a virtual operating system running within your default or the operating system you are comfortable with. No longer do you have to format your machine, dual boot. All those complications are taken away by the use of VirtualBox or virtualization softwares. So let's start out with a download. I'll show you how to get a software on them. Well, I prefer DuckDuckGo because of their privacy. They do not track you, they do not force anything on you. Literally, you have the freedom to search for whatever you want without your cookies interfering with your search results. So as you can see, VirtualBox, it is entirely free and it is available for all the major OS platforms out there, for Windows hosts, OS X hosts, the Linux distros, and the Solaris hosts. So whatever link you click on, an automatic dialog box will come up prompting you to download. As you can see, for Windows it's just 200 MB, the software. For OS X, same thing, about 130, 136 MB. For Solaris, I doubt there are many people watching this will use it, also 130. And you notice that for Linux it's a little different, the appearance of the link compared to the others. This is because Linux has so many distributions out there, so many. In fact, it's even possible to create your own Linux operating system. You simply download it, edit it out using whatever software are there, and you can name it whatever name you want. However, you'll find that all these custom operating systems out there are based on some of the major Linux platforms such as Ubuntu, Ubuntu, whatever you wish, Debian, OpenSUSE, Fedora, Oracle Linux, and there are so many other distributions that have not yet properly been gauged. So in my case, I'm running on Debian 9. Whatever platform you're using for Windows, Linux, I've just shown you how to download. Click on your link, it will bring up a dialog box for you to download. You see, for mine, it was about 100 MB. From then on, you simply download it and install it. I already have that, as you can see. Now let's fetch a VirtualBox or a virtual machine. You find that installing a new operating system is tedious. It takes you forever, 1 hour, 2 hours. But the thing with OS boxes or virtual machines, you simply download it and plug and play. It's just like a music song video. You plug and play, download, and you're ready to run.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.
There are so many websites out there that provide virtual images for your virtualization needs. In this case, because we've downloaded VirtualBox, we take the first link for VirtualBox, scroll down, search for whatever operating system you want to use. One of the ones I recommend, there is the Linux Mint. Mint. It's a very friendly platform, very beautiful. Or in this case, I'll be showing how to use Elementary OS. You can take Elementary OS, you download the VirtualBox image. Well, Elementary OS boasts of, well, it's very good looking, very smooth, and it's easy to adapt for almost anyone. You can see they have funny names, Loki for the Avengers fans, Freya, you all know these characters. So I've taken Freya, simply download it, click on the link, it will prompt you.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And there you have it. You find that for Elementary OS it's just 692 MB, well 700 given the data you do to browse. After saving it, now to the fun part. I will not use the one that I've already set up here. I'll show you how to set up a new one. You come to the new tab, press the name, maybe let's call it Elementary. I chose the 86 architecture or the 32-bit mode. Next, I choose to leave them as their default. Next, use an existing media. Now you have to navigate to wherever you've saved it in your respective machines. It's already listed here for me, but I'll show you how to fetch it. You go to add your default folder wherever you have saved your downloads, select the VDI file and open. After that, it's highlighted, choose it, create, and that's it, you're ready to run. Now let me close this one, power off, and use the one I have already set up because that one is taking a little too long, and start it up. There you have it. This is your welcome screen. Because you downloaded it from online, it means that the default account had already been set up, and also a guest session, whatever session you wish to log into. For me, I know the password, so I'll just log into the main account. Well, that was a typo.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that
And there you
about,
have it.
you start slurring your words.
Your application menu,
You have to seem so
taking a while to
distant
load
when I'm holding you.
the bar
Your
down
fingertips are
here.
drifting away, and I fucking
You
love
have
how
many
it
options, and you find that it's also very beautiful to look at.
Why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love
You
the
can
touch with
switch over into the settings,
Why do I, baby, why
try to
do
customize a few things, maybe even change the wallpaper.
Why do I,
You see,
baby, why do
down here it resembles the MacOS. It's beautiful. Maybe change the wallpaper.
Feeling.
Desktop. Choose a color theme, maybe the dock. Well, this is what they call the dock. Those familiar with Mac, you've seen it. You can make them larger. That's not very good. The hot corners, you find that in Windows, whenever you switch to your bottom right corner, it minimizes all the open windows. And in Linux, this is even more beautiful because it gives you the option to customize all the corners in your screen. Whatever corner you go to, you see, I go to this one, no clicking, minimizes. And that's just about it. If you find you have system settings about this computer, let's go there. This is part of the reason I was saying you need a powerful machine. A minimum of 8 GB, that's advisable for me. And since I'm running on 4 GB, you can see the screen is taking on the machine. I'll shut it down. Yes, and thank you for watching. Kindly like and subscribe, share, and see you again next week.